Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you how we can easily use SignWell. SignWell is an amazing program, easy program that you can use for signing your documents. And now I'm going to show you how you can sign the document and also how you can easily send the document to someone else. So see here, sign up for free, and you have option to sign up with the Google, or you can sign up with a password instead. Now I'm going to click here, password instead. Of course, if you want, you can sign with the Gmail. It's completely up to you. Now I'm going to copy it, add email, name, and password. Continue. Now I'm going to wait until it's going to proceed, and voila, here we are. So the first thing that you need to do is to select a file. So I'm going to select a file, and I have option to select, let's say, I don't know, whatever file I have here. Like the invoice here. And let's say we are going to sign the invoice. Now I'm going to press continue, but you have also option here to add a document, or you can click here, I'm the only one person signing. Now then you're going to press continue, and here add a context to this document. Who will complete this document? So you have option to add yourself, and then you have also option to add a full name here and email. So I'm going to add here, let's say Marcus 12345, or let's say like this, and you can add an email address. So what I can do is to, let's say, create temporary email, and this one here, and I will add email address, and then prepare and get started. So this is invoice that I have here, and now what I can do is to add what I can do here. So when you're going to scroll down, you have suggested fields here on the top left. This is how you're going to edit the document. You have, when enabled, this detects all documents that automatically fields on those detected lines. Then you have data entry signatures, and it means that you can adding documents fields for. So you can add it for myself or for the Marcus Iowing that I'm going to send it to. So when I'm going to click Marcus Iowing, I can simply add signature, initials, text field, checkbox, or date field. So I can simply add a signature. So I'm going to take the signature, and let's say I'm going to add it here. Person that will complete in this field, Marcus Iowing. And we want it to have it required. Got it. Okay, so Marcus Iowing. This is where the Marcus Iowing will sign it. And I can move it here. Now I can also add initials. So this is going to be the initials, Marcus Iowing, right here. And it's all required. You have options to add deleted. You can add a text field or date field. So let's say I'm going to also add a date field here. And they can also fill out the date. Now, when we have this, I can add a checkbox, or when I have Marcus Iowing here, I'm going to click Marcus Tonelius, and I'm going to edit for myself. So I'm going to sign button here, and let's say date field here. Now, as you can see, we have it, right? And when you got it, what you need to do then is go to top right, and you have option to save as, and you can edit, save it as a PDF, or you can send it. And I can simply send the document. And now we have option to add a message here. Please complete the document. And people who are going to be filling this document, you can see it on the left. And you have option to apply sending order. Now, of course, you can send as a sales document. Best for documents that need to be viewed and approved before completing signing. And then you can also add a text for the document. So you can also, as you can see, you have options to have some options here as a send reminder. And you can also redirect to a page after signing. So when someone is going to sign, you can send them to your website. And now when you have the text and when you have prepared the message, you can click send. And voila, here we have it. Your document has been sent. I can send another one, or I can go to documents. See, we see it right here. And what happened? On both of my emails, I got that I need to sign a document. So this one is for the Marcus IOing. I'm going to click view complete document and see, I have it here. Then for another one, view and complete the document, and I got it here. So on both, you can see it's working really well. Now I can simply click here, sign, and I can draw. I can add a date, which is today. And then on another one, I can add here sign and date. And here we are, agree and finish. Agree and finish. Now, when you both sign the document and you come here and you refresh it, you see it's completed. So all the documents that are going to be signed up, you're gonna have completion here. Then you're gonna see also contacts on the top left. And you can always see all your contacts. So if you're gonna use it for someone more frequently, you can easily send it to them. Now, when I'm going to click here on documents, I can see all the documents here. And you can simply add a document by clicking on the top right, add a new document. Or you can go also on the top left, templates. And templates are documents that you set up to quickly reuse. And let's say that you would have a document about sales and you always need a sign up for a new sales. So you would sign it all the time, a new one more frequently. And this is pretty much it, how you can use it. Now you can of course upgrade your SignWell if you want to. That's also up to you. And if you have any friends, I'm going to show you. You can share and earn 25%. So you can also do that. And now you have also a link down below in the description that if you're going to click on the link and you're going to register, you can use SignWell through me. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're going to have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.